Welcome. If you want to make your Pinterest experience more personalized and help improve the ads you see, enabling activity for ad reporting is a quick and easy way to do it. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on this feature right from your Pinterest app. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you'll see your profile page with all your saved pins and boards. Look for your profile picture again, but this time at the very top of the screen. Tap on it to open your account settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your privacy and preferences. Scroll down and find the section labeled Privacy and Data. Tap on it to open up a list of options that control how Pinterest handles your information. Here, you'll see a category called Ads Personalization. This is where you can adjust how Pinterest uses your activity to personalize the ads you see. Under Ads Personalization, look for the option called Activity for Ad Reporting. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When you do this, you're allowing Pinterest to use your activity to help advertisers understand the effectiveness of their ads, which in turn helps Pinterest show you more relevant content. That's it. You've successfully enabled activity for ad reporting on Pinterest. This small change can make a big difference in the ads and recommendations you see, making your Pinterest experience more tailored to your interests. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch off. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.